It's almost the end of the decade, and a lot has happened within the last 10 years. If you have never invested before, there's really no better time to start than today because of all the different investment platforms available for us right now. In this video, I'll be going over step by step how much you would need to start investing and where to invest in 2020 for complete beginners. I'll be assuming that you are over 18 years old and have a basic income that you can actually invest. And I won't be talking about investing in properties since you would need a much higher capital and it's less beginner friendly. Step 1 is to sort out your Kiwisaver. If you don't have a Kiwisaver yet, go and get one. If nothing else, for the sole purpose of getting the government tax credit, where they will give you 50 cents for every dollar you put into your Kiwisaver, up to $521. This is essentially a 50% return on your investment, guaranteed. And you can't really get much better than that in terms of guaranteed returns. If you need help in picking out a Kiwisaver provider, check out some of my video reviews on that subject, which I will link in the description both in the card and down below. There is literally no point in going with most bank-based Kiwisaver since they charge quite high fees. Now that you have a Kiwisaver, most employers will match a percentage of your contribution to Kiwisaver, whether it be 3% or more. Just match whatever the highest percentage they are contributing, and then you can spend the rest on eating out and drinking alcohol. Just kidding. We're going to do some investing and grow that money. Step 2 is to create an account on an investment platform. Currently, the cheapest investment platform available in New Zealand is Investnow, since it has no monthly fees and has over 100 different funds on offer, covering a wide range of assets, including cash, bonds, and shares. If you're looking for a quick guide on some of the best funds available on Investnow, check out my video on the top Investnow funds, which again I will link in the card and also down in the description below. Setting up an Investnow account is extremely easy and can be done all online within a day. Alternatively, if you're interested in trading for individual New Zealand company shares, you can sign up to Sharesies. Sharesies is one of the most user-friendly platforms and offers very competitive fees in terms of trading for company shares. The beauty of Sharesies is that they recently introduced the ability to place a limit buy or limit sell order. A limit buy means that you can set the highest price that you are willing to pay for a particular share. For example, if the share costs $3 at the moment and I set a limit buy order at $2.5, the order will only go through when the price of the share lowers to $2.5. Limit sell works in a similar way, where you specify the price that you are willing to sell a particular share. This is very different from Investnow, where all the buy and sell orders from different investors gets pulled together around midday and gets processed by the fund manager altogether. So you can never be exactly sure of the price of the fund that you are buying at the particular time. Signing up to Sharesies is completely free, and currently they have a limited time offer where you get a free $10 deposit in your account if you sign up using the affiliate link down below. Step 3 is to set up a regular investment plan. Now, before setting up a regular investment plan, if you need some help with budgeting to free up some money for investing, check out my video on the easiest budgeting rule. Again, link in the card and the description below. So how much do you actually need to start investing? Investnow allows you to start investing with a regular investment plan from $50 per fund. And they will take that money out from your transactional account in Investnow. If you need some help with your portfolio distribution on Investnow, check out this other video on where you should invest depending on your goals and risk tolerance. The easiest way that I found for transferring funds to Investnow is to set up an automatic payment from your bank to Investnow for the amount that you want to invest the day after you get paid, and then set your investment plan on Investnow so that it comes out the day after that. Let's say if you get paid on Wednesday, you set an automatic payment to go out on Thursday, and set your investment plan to go out on Friday. One thing to note is that some funds on Investnow don't allow buying partial funds, so you might have a few dollars left over in your account each time your plan goes through. You can also set up a regular investment plan in Sharesies from as little as $5 per share using the Auto Invest feature. The good thing here is that Sharesies allows you to buy partial shares so that you would always invest the full amount in your Sharesies account. Step 4 is to sit back and let your investments grow. As long as you have invested in good companies or well-diversified fund and have a fairly balanced portfolio, I would recommend not checking your portfolio very often. I know it's very tempting to log in every day and see if you have gained a few dollars here or there. But what tends to happen is that you would get emotionally attached to your investment and might sell out of your position if your portfolio drops. The best thing to do is actually just to sit back and let your investments grow over time. Investing is much more like watching paint dry rather than watching a car race. So it's better to let it do its thing and put your main focus on something else. Remember the age-old saying, time in the market is better than timing the market. In future videos, I'll be talking about some of my favorite investment books that I would recommend to both new and experienced investors. So stay tuned for that. I hope everyone have a happy Christmas for those that celebrate Christmas, and I will see you in the next video.